Okay, it's Thursday, September 19th, 2024. It's about 10 till 9 a.m. Eastern. Let's take a look at the account. Total account value is $335, and I have that same amount here today to trade with. So I will pause the video and be back when the market opens. Watching ZEO. I have an order ready for 70 shares. All right, I have an order in, and we are in the trade. Continuing to move nicely. Profit and loss down here. We are in at 348. And we are out just that fast. Let's take a look. Okay, a plus $13.98. I'll just call that $14 and a 4% gain on my small account. I was only in this trade 25 seconds, and showing how these little wins, these little base hits add up and bring in those extra funds to your current weekly and monthly income. So I'm going to call it a day. Quick trade in and out. Nice little gain here, and we'll see what tomorrow brings.